That could be... It's trapped. Help. Oh. Okay, we're fine so far. Stage number 1 completed, not a problem. Wow, a button. Let's press it. Okay. I could use a bow and arrow. That'd make things a little bit easier, don't you think? I'd be happy about that. Oh, God. Don't do it. Ow. Okay. Ow. That hurt. Wait, I'm going to be okay, though. This isn't going to take all my health down. We're fine. And it didn't even drop the lava. That's fantastic. So can I go back here now? Negative. Hold up. Do I actually just need to keep doing this again? Again. Ow. Okay. Sure. Bring it on. That's all she wrote, folks. Wait. Trolls 1. But I knew that was going to happen when I clicked the button, and I did it on purpose. Wait, so you're telling me there's another way out of here? Well, here we go, folks. So that was the only other thing I could possibly think of. So, oh, that's the button you were talking about. I thought I got really lucky at first, like it was the first one I had to jump into. Looks like any of them would have been fine, but not cool, dude. Not cool. Maybe what I need to do is turn around. Is the button right? Of course it is. Of course it's right there. Wait. No, but you weren't supposed to do that, though. That's not... No. You were... Wait. So both of them do this? Wait, it's turned from a button into a pressure plate now. Oh, I'm good. Okay, so I had to make that happen. Fine. Everything is good, dude. I'm not getting trolled here, dude. Right-click on me. No, right-click on me. Now, if I were me, which one would I click on is the question here. Trying to get inside my head, figure out like what I would think if I were thinking about things I think about, which I would probably do the double reverse psychology. Should be like, it wants me to think, oh, since this is more bold and in my face, I should click on the other one. It's harder to read. But then the double reverse psychology would mean both of the signs are probably